Hi angels, hi my loves, it's LV Lux Girl back again with another video. So in today's video I have a Dooney and Bourke unboxing for you guys. If that's something that you're interested in, then go ahead and keep on watching. And at the end of the video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. So yeah, you guys, I have a Dooney and Bourke unboxing for you guys, and I'll tell you a little bit of a story time while I'm doing the unboxing, but let's go ahead and jump right in. So the first thing that I want to say is it's of the City Dawson shoulder bag. So that's the bag, you guys, and this is my box right here. And this is a true unboxing. I haven't done anything at all with trying to open this box. I am a little bit perturbed, you guys, because I noticed that the bag says violet on it, and I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you. It said yellow violet, and I'm hoping that that's just a mistake or something Dooney and Bourke made, because I didn't order a violet bag. So if you notice right there, it said, I started to scratch it out. It says yellow and then it says violet. I scratched out the yellow, but it says violet right there. So that kind of made me a little bit scared, you guys. So I'm hoping that I get the correct bag in this box, because I didn't order a yellow or a violet bag. So let's go ahead and open her up, try to open her up with you guys. So yeah, you guys, the story that I wanted to tell you guys about this bag is that, you guys, I saw this bag, I was shopping one day, and I found this bag, you know, at a store, not at the Dooney and Bourke store, but at, I believe it was a TJ Maxx or Marshall's. And I found it, and I had the bag in my hand, and it was priced at such a great price, and I didn't get it. And I don't like doing that, because knowing me, when I see a bag and I pass it up, I'm right back on that expressway the next day. And if I have to drive an hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, I'm going to want to go back. It's going to drive me crazy. I'm not going to be able to sleep, you know, thinking about that bag that was in my hands that I should have got. And a lot of times when you go back, the bag is gone because it was such a great deal that somebody else got it. So basically, that's the story with this City Dawson. I found the bag. I was at a store. I was shopping, and I wasn't in there. I'm always, even when I go to a store shopping for something else, I'm always on the lookout for bags. As much as you guys know, I'm sure it's the same with you guys. We're always on the lookout for bags because we're bag addicts. So even though I found the bag that day and I wasn't looking for a bag, I know I should have got it. And of course I didn't get it. And so now here I am with this story to tell. Okay, so first of all, you guys, let me say, I am happy because it's not a violet or yellow bag inside my box. I don't know why it said that on the label. It is the correct bag. So let me go ahead and show you guys what it looks like, trying to cover up some of my information here. So I got my receipt with it. And here it is. This is what it looks like right here, you guys. And it's the City Dawson, you guys. So this is the bag that I got. Let me go ahead and move this box out the way so we can go ahead and take a closer look at her. And I'm going to try to be careful with the packaging, because I don't know about you guys, but I don't know. I like to keep my stuffing and my wrapping to stuff the bags with. So I'm going to try to go ahead and open it up, even though I just want to rip into her. Maybe I could finish doing some of the rest of it later. So here she is, you guys. So this is the bag that I had in my hands, you guys, at the store. One of the little things came off already. So I had this beautiful bag in my hands at the store, and I left her and I put it down. Oh, this is gonna, with time, when I put my stuff in there, that'll go ahead and the smushing will come out of that. I have to work on that. Okay, there we go. I got to work on getting her wrinkles out. But yeah, you guys, I'm not going to do that anymore. I am not going to do that anymore. When I see a bag and it's, you know I want it, I know I'm going to want to get it, I'm going to go ahead and pick her up. So this is the City Dawson shoulder bag, you guys. And also, I love top handle. I love when you have the option to carry a bag top handle as well as with a shoulder strap. So that's one reason why I like this bag, because it's, you know, it comes with that shoulder strap. And I will say also that I wanted her in blue. I wanted her in blue, not black, but By the time I decided to order her, you guys, from I Love Dooney, they didn't have any blue color left. And I just figured black is cool with me because I wear so much black anyway. Black, as a matter of fact, might actually work out even better. You know, the blue would have been nice when I wear my all black for a little pop of a color with the blue to add a little different variation to my all black outfit. However, the all black is going to work out because that just goes with everything. But like I said, one thing that I love about the aesthetic of this bag is that, you know, you get the shoulder strap and you're going to get the top handle option. You know, when you don't feel like wearing her crossbody or over your shoulder, you could always just go ahead and hold her by this top handle. And these straps, you guys, these top handle straps, the rolled handle on these is just so nice. That leather is just so beautiful, you guys. Let me go ahead and get this off. I love the rolled handles on Louis Vuitton, on all of the brands, on Dooney and Bourke. So I'm a top handle girl, and when I get that rolled handle, that's a perk. That's an extra plus for me, you guys. So here it is. Here's the beautiful, lovely leather rolled handle that you get. That is so pretty, you guys. That rolled handle, the leather on that is just mwah. So yeah, you guys, I absolutely love it. I love the fact that she has the 2 front pockets right there, and she has feet. 5 feet, not 4, so that's a good thing. So yeah, thank you guys for sticking it out with me for yet another video while I unbox my Dooney and Bourke City Dawson shoulder bag. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Share my videos with your friends and check out my playlist on Dooney and Bourke. And I'll see you again soon in another video.